When the British colonised Australia more than 200 years ago, they brought livestock and crops, which dramatically altered the ecosystem. While many native bird species suffered, a fortunate few found new opportunities. Parrots are quick to adjust to new situations. Today, thousands of corellas, cockatoos and galahs fill their bellies on farms across the country. They eat the sprouting shoots of crops and gorge on stock feed and harvested grain. Heavy tarpaulin covers are no match for parrots. They use their sharp beaks like can openers, ripping them open to eat their fill. It's great for the birds, but not for the farmers. Every year, farms across Australia lose hundreds of millions of dollars due to crop damage, and scarecrows just don't cut it. Farmers do what they can to keep the parrots away, but with every new strategy they come up with, the parrots outsmart them. In their natural habitat, these birds face periods of abundance and scarcity. Australia's unpredictable climate means food availability changes from year to year. But farms provide a reliable supply of food and water year-round. With the food laid on like this, immense flocks crowd the skies, filling the air with their raucous calls. It's unclear if their numbers have increased since the early days of European colonisation, but it does appear likely, thanks to the now abundant and readily accessible food sources. Now, thousands of opportunistic parrots sweep across the country in bold mobs, going almost everywhere and eating nearly anything. Thanks to their adaptability, there's hardly a corner of Australia that these charismatic birds haven't claimed.